What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up? Alright, y'all. So we started off this vlog at the STRAT. We are now on the observation floor. This is the tallest standing building. So this is one of the highest buildings in Vegas. This is a bar that they have on the observation level. The tickets here is just $5. They have a little screen where you can see, you know, out what building is what, where you're overlooking. And yeah, it was cool. Up here, they have the sky jumping where you jump off of the bridge, but we're now going to get on the Insanity ride. This ride was about 3 minutes. It was very scary. My dad was the, photographer right now. So as you see, this very bad ankle, but it's okay, guys. You get the gist of it. It was fun. It was scary. I would recommend it.
I'm back. I'm back.
They got Shake Shack right next to you, New York, where we about to get on the roller coaster. Up there. Shake it. Shake it. All right, y'all, so we made it back to the room. This is still day 3 of the travel vlog what the freak am I talking about? The travel vlog in Vegas. I haven't really seen me that much on the cam because it's like 100 million degrees outside. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. 106 degrees right now in Vegas. Like, it's really hot right now. Like, my back sweating, my jaws sweating, everything is wet right now. I'm just hot. So we went to STRAT to get on the roller coaster ride that's spinning in a circle. My dad recorded it for us. He didn't get on that ride with us, but I am going to look up the pricing once again so I can give y'all all the details on that, because Nick, your travel agent, is here to save the day. Even on vacay, I'm helping you out. You need to like this video, period. Anyway, so I'm going to look up again how much the ride is so you can know how much the rides will be if you try to go do the thrill rides on the stratosphere on top. Now, it was really fun, really scary. I would recommend it, just to have a little fun if y'all like that type of thing. You went to that amusement park vibe. Look at the sirens going off, bruh. Can you just take them to jail already? I'm trying to record a video. Anyway, we also went to New York, and we got on the Apple coaster. We did that a while ago with my family when we were younger, so we just decided to do it again, and it was pretty fun. I really liked it. I don't know why lately my stomach just been like feeling so weird. Like, even when I'm on the plane about to land, I be about to throw up. When I was on the roller coaster, it's just, I don't know what's going on. My stomach toe up from the flow up. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. I'm here to help you, not myself, I guess. They have like a little locker you put your stuff in so you don't have to hold your stuff. And, it was a good, adventure for us. And I think you will enjoy it too. So you should try it out. We don't really have much planned right now. We're going to go to dinner to Fleming's. I'm gonna see which hotel that is in. Uber, let's speak about Uber. Uber out here is ridiculous, okay? When I came here, Uber before was maybe $9-10 a pop to go where you gotta go. Now it is like $20 to $30, and that's Uber XL. We try to do Uber XL, and it's expensive. All those places we went to, the Uber was like $30, no cap. It was expensive, so it's just like, bruh. So they do have the bus ride, which I did record for you guys, that you could get your bus ticket down on the strip. They'll have like a little, ticket booth where you get your ticket. It's called a deuce. You can get on that. You can use your tickets for that. So that's what we really were doing, because Uber was just too expensive. But I'm about to chill and relax right now, and then I'm gonna check back in with y'all when we go to dinner. All right, y'all, we on our way to dinner. Okay, y'all, so we have made it back to the room. We just left from Laurie's Steakhouse. Our bill was like $109, and if you go to Laurie's, I would recommend getting a 3 slice. It's like, it's on the menu, you'll see it. It says 3 thin slice prime rib, and they're known for their prime rib, so go for the prime rib. I will go for what the restaurant is known for. Like, you wouldn't go to Pizza Hut and order pasta. I mean, would you? Because if you do, well, put in the comments below, why would you do that? And we need to talk. But anyway, just want to thank y'all so much for hanging with me. I really appreciate you watching all the vlogs. No, I do, boo. So I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.
Viva